Alright, out at the cabin. Check things out. And the wife was out here. She left some pears and apples for the deer. Pretty quiet. We'll grab a little corn. There's the cabin. Solar panels. Give you a tour. Firewood. My workbench. This is a construction site. Underneath there's my table saw, grill, chair. Over there is the plow truck, my Jeep, and of course the cabin. Got a little porch on there with a roof. Shed style roof on the cabin. It is 20 foot by 12 foot. Just a cabin. This is the generator and battery bank shed. There's my generator, my batteries, tools, various cables. Made this out of my sister's fence that I tore out. I have a propane heater, bathroom, and of course an American flag. Love my country. There. Come in here. See all the green lights? Everything's good. Right there. Tells me what I've been getting today. All is good with the solar. Here's my little propane heater, a Mr. Heater. Nice view. Couch. Reclaimed cabinet. Countertop is made out of a cedar log from a tree that I took down. Wood stove is a 100-year-old parlor wood stove. Bathroom, composting toilet. It's freshly cleaned out, so nothing nasty to see. That's for a bedding for the couch. Actually, it's a futon couch. Lay it out, and we throw the feather pillow thing on top to make it even softer. I have 3 5x5 windows in here. I have 2 more windows up there. Remember, they're what, 3 foot by 2 foot. Another window over here. Sink will be going right here. You know, window in the bathroom. But this area is kind of a mess. It's where I've been putting all my tools and everything. This is the property itself. 20 acres. Very relaxing. Peaceful. And yes, I have lots of deer. And I'm assuming they'll be coming here soon. They usually know when I'm showing up. And then usually when I show up, they show up because they want the corn. This is the end of the trail this winter. My son and I are going to be blazing the trail to the back of the property. This is the lowest spot right here on the property. We got water that comes through here, and it's kind of waterlogged for about, oh, I'd say 30 feet. Then it's all dry land again. And we're going to build up a path right through here. And at the back of the property, we got some old growth pine trees that are just massive. I got a lot of maple, I got elm, I got beech, I got hemlock, I got white pine, I got cedar, I got long needle pine, white birch, silver birch, yellow birch, cherry. I got cherry trees. I got a little bit of everything out here. There's even a couple straggler white pines, and there's spruce, of course. No oaks, no jack pines, and unfortunately we got popple. Lots and lots of popple. But the cabin itself, like I said, is 20 by 12. I got about $5,000 wrapped up into it. This road was put in this year. That was some work. Oof. And that was about $5,000 just for the road. So all in all, I've spent $10,000 working on the land. Bought the land last year. You know, this is my goal in life, is to get my land, get a small cabin. And when my son grows up and is out of school, which is 4 more years, sell the house in town and move out to the property. Okay, I hear animals. I know he's walking around somewhere. There's some work going on an adjacent property where some people are putting in a road. That's why you hear beeping right now. They got about a 2-acre plot across the road. And they've been working on it all summer. About the same length of time I've been working on mine. The sun's out. Leaves are definitely falling. Really nice out. Oh, right there. Yeah, deer up there. Crossing my road. Yeah, he sees me. He's just gonna sit there and stare at me. And he walks off into the woods. It's a good sized group of deer. I usually have at least 4 in the group, but average, you know, they got about 6 of them. That was 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 of them so far. 4, 5. 5. Yeah, they're sitting there watching me. I'll go feed them in a minute. They like their corn. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but I own all the way down to the 3rd mailbox down there. All the way down to about the 2nd mailbox over here. 20 acres is actually pretty big. I feel very blessed with having 20 acres. It's a great place to come to, relax, chill out, watch wildlife. I got everything here. I got coyotes, unfortunately. Got porcupines because I had a porcupine quill stuck in me last weekend. Got raccoons, squirrels, chipmunks, another pain in the butt animal. Deer. I've got red fox, I got black fox. Those things are just gorgeous. I have a family of bald eagles that's nesting in one of the old growth pine trees. I have owls. And of course, I also have ravens. So there's a little bit of everything out here. I haven't seen any possum. And I haven't seen any skunks. That's alright. I don't care for skunks. And to be honest, possums are ugly. Who would want to see those things? Yeah, I think summer's pretty much over with. Pick up the stick. Oh, hey. The tree broke. Huh, tree fell. If the tree falls in the woods, does anyone hear it? Does it make any noise? Who knows? No one's there to hear it. It's a work in progress. Next year I'll be getting my well put in. Once the well's in, technically we can live here. That's the big sticking point right now, is the well. But I'm doing this all out of paychecks, so I am limited on what I can do. Couple scoops of corn for the deer. You never want to sit there and give the deer a full diet of just nothing but corn. It's not very nutritious. They like corn. It's like candy to them. But I got sugar beets out, apples. This winter, get a bale of alfalfa. I know some people, oh, you can't feed the deer. You can't feed the deer. Well, we kind of screwed everything up by existing. And now it is our responsibility to take care of these animals. Especially if we want to keep them around. I'm shaking the bucket if you're wondering. There, got some corn. Bonfire pile. Here's my hemlock. Love that hemlock. That is a beautiful tree. Love that tree. Partly cloudy today. That stand of maples right there lost all its leaves already. A flag. If you're wondering what that blue tarp is way over there, that's my wood chipper. Constantly working out here. A couple of water barrels. Try to keep them full So when we have the bonfires, I can hook up a pump from the solar panels and pump water on it if I need to. Yeah, well, those deer should be coming soon. Leftover metal from my roof. Nice little beech tree. Real nice out here.